Hey entrepreneurs! Are you tired of burning money on pricey monthly fees for platforms that promise community growth but deliver none? Or maybe you've had enough of your Facebook groups disappearing overnight without warning? Well, stay tuned, because I've got a game changer for you, AITribes. Right now, AITribes is offering an incredible launch deal. Pay just once, and you're set. Yes, you heard that right, no recurring fees. But here's the catch, this offer is only for the early birds, so if you're watching this, time is running out. So, why AITribes? It's not like Kajabi, Teachable, or School, which are draining your pockets with constant subscriptions. AITribes does something truly revolutionary. It uses AI to automatically build, engage, and grow your community. Picture this, AITribes generates niche-specific content to keep your members engaged 24/7, and its gamification tech makes your community grow 100x faster by turning members into ambassadors, all on autopilot. Thinking of sticking with your Facebook group? Let's be real, FB groups are getting shut down randomly with zero explanation, and good luck getting them restored. Plus, they're loaded with ads, distractions, and don't even come with built-in sales tools. With AITribes, you're in full control, no distractions, no shutdowns, just pure growth and engagement. Already have a community on another platform? No problem. You can easily import your data into AITribes. And if you're tired of wasting cash on expensive monthly fees, it's time to make the switch. People are charging up to $997 per month to build viral communities for businesses like gyms, pet shops, and health brands. Why? Because a thriving community boosts sales more reliably than hit-or-miss ad campaigns. If you're ready to ditch the outdated platforms and want a solution that actually grows your community with AI, AITribes is your new secret weapon. The one-time price is available now, but only for early movers. Don't let this pass you by, your business deserves better. Click the link below to grab your one-time offer for AITribes and start building a community that lasts. Trust me, your future self will thank you.